Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Explore IT Issues. So today is a day 7 of network automation series. In the previous video, we automate multiple devices using a CSV file. Correct? As if you are not check out, please check out my previous video. So in the previous video we have using the multiple device using the CSV file, correct? But in the real world, network things don't always going smoothly, correct? So device can fail due to the authentication error, timeout and network issues, correct? So in the today's video, I'll show you how to build a smart automation that does not stop when a device fail, so but automatically retry and recover, correct? So in the first, understand the problem. Suppose that you have created one CSV file and somehow you have added the wrong password or something wrong information of the device, and when we have run the script, then your script will be failed. So you get the connecting error. Suppose that authentication failed. So in this case, suppose that I'll show you in the lab. Suppose that I have a 4 device as per our script, and intentionally I have added the wrong password in device 1 and device 3, correct? So when we have run the script, the device checking authentication the check and it's failed. So authentication failed and your script is stopped. So you not got the proper information from the script and not receive the output, correct? So normally your script would stop here once your password authentication is failed, and you would have to fix and return it manually, correct? But that's not efficient, correct? So today we will implement a simple logic, powerful logic, not simple, it's but as a powerful logic. Its logic is this: fail, retry and success, correct? So first they are checking if this is a fail, then again retry, then it got success, then we receive the final output in the success. So the script will fail on the first attempt here, then retry automatically again, and finally we receive the success, correct, as per the script. So in the today's script I have made this. So first we have added the import file from the required library, suppose CSV, Netmiko, date, time, OS and time stamped, correct? And another step we have using the backup folder and go to the part when we receive the output. Okay, the third step 3, we are using the command which I need to require a output from the router to our text file, because we are using the text file to receive the output. So we have added here the 3 commands: show version, show IP interface brief and show running configuration. So as per your real infrastructure, you can edit the multiple command here and got the information automatically by the Python script, correct? And the fourth one is the maximum retries, which I am using, which I told you. So we are using the retry script here. Their attempt is 2, so they run the two attempt in this script. Okay, so fifth one step, we are using the we create a function called connect and backup, the device which handle the connection, command and execution and backup, correct? And the third one we are using try. Sixth one, not third one, is the 6th step, the try. This is the most important part. On the first attempt we intentionally use the wrong password, correct? As I told you before, we using the wrong password to the simulate the failure, and on the second attempt we use the correct password, this one. This helps us to demonstrate real world retry behavior, correct? So let's see what happening in the next step. We use this output in the text file which is saved on the backup folder. See this. So I hope you understand the script. If you not understand, please check out my old video. So in this file this script we have run in the CMD. So I'm just going into the CMD, then we are using a directory which I saved this file and folder as well as CSV file. So all three file we have saved in the desktop, like the device, retry success or retry failed retry success, and device CSV. So first we need to go to the directory. So cd space desktop, enter, then go to the command which I am using, the Python. So Python using the fail retry success.py. py is a extension of the Python. So when we have saved this script, you just go to the file and save as per your name, and you just add the extension .py. So once we have py added in the script, added in the file, then your file is automated make a Python script file like this, retry success this. So I'm just using this and enter. So before entering this, I'll show you. So once we have entered this file, I mean this code, the script code, and we receive the two output because two attempt is failed, correct? So router 1 is failed because we have using the wrong password here, and router 3 also because we are using the wrong password. Okay, so now check it. So once I am hit here, just hit, you see first this attempt, the try to attempt 1 but authentication to device failed. Second attempt is also authentication to device failed. Okay, then using the second next command 201 is attempt fail, and second attempt is pass because the password is fine. Then third device is fail, again they are checking attempt 2, it's fail. Now is moving to the next line, I mean to router 4, which is 203, then it's pass. So once we run this script, the two devices fail like this. They are using 2 attempt. Okay, here first attempt of the router 1, then second attempt of the router 1. Same thing, they are moving to another. The first attempt is fail, the second attempt is pass because we have using the same script as per the here. So first attempt is wrong and second attempt is pass. If password is correct, then is pass through this code. So same thing, and once we have run this script, we receive the output in the text file. So here is a backup and we receive the text file here, these two. In the text file we receive the output like show version, so intbr or running configuration like this. So I hope you are all understand the things which I told you, how exactly you can using the retry, fail, retry and success logic in the Python, correct? So today we learn how to handle the failure and implement the retry logic in the network automation. In the real network, failures are normal, but stopping is not, correct? So if you found this helpful, please like, subscribe and comment for our video. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, subscribe. If you have any question, concern, please comment, so I will reply on the same and provide you the best information as per my knowledge and infrastructure, correct? So thank you so much. Bye bye.